Welcome friends. This video for co-mechanic cordless pressure washer high pressure car washer pump for cleaning. This video content sponsored by Gentivis.online. That means all varnish from phones, laptops and ACs to washing machines are reviewed and sorted based on quality. So Gentivis.online is the perfect online platform to shop with the best satisfaction. Before watching the full details of this video, those who have not subscribed to this channel should subscribe so that they can see all the videos posted regarding the products immediately. Maybe there is a video to buy. Product details: higher torque efficiency, 2800 RPM gives higher efficiency in creating instant pressure and a better flow rate. It is fit for a car washer and an applicable bike and multiple cleaning application. MRP 5300, amount 2199 with 59% discount. 2-year warranty. Advanced nozzle system with a pressure can control with its vertical and horizontal nozzle system. Water pressure focus 1 point and thistle mode. So it can be applicable for solar panel washers and windows glass wall washers. Has 8-meter outlet hose and 3-meter indle pipe. You can conveniently clean anywhere. Apart from this, a 4-meter power core is provided, making it easy to use from the power supply unit. Capacitor induction star motor, 2.5 horse power inclusion motor with a 2800 RPM single phase induction motor that use a capacitor to increase the phase difference between the current in the main and auxiliary windings. This motor is designed to provide high starting torque and moderate running efficiency. High pressure washer can typically run for about 20 to 25 minutes after they need a break. Pump motors can usually go for an hour or more. If you are using a water pressure washer, you will need to give it breaks more frequently, about every 15 to 20 minutes. Change being oil 6 to 12 months once. Improved power factor and efficiency. The running capacitor provides permanent phase correction, which improves power factor and efficiency, while triggering motor voltage drop when they starting. Typical motor starting currents can be 6.0 times the current rated full load. High pressure washer grade IPX5 level waterproof for protection against sudden splashes during washing. Used for car, bike, AC servicing, cleaning tests, terraces, driveways, zidding, zits, drugs, boats and outdoor power equipment, solar panels, disused. Thank you, friends. If you want to review and buy this product, there is a Telegram channel group link in the first comment. Join it and comment the purchase link. I will send the product purchasing link. Thank you.